Cold leather. What up, everybody? It's your boy Geno315, man, and today I got another great shoes for the low video for y'all. Today we got another pair of Nike Bowfins. I'm trying to get every color of these joints. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I want every color. You know what I mean? I already did. I think this might be the 6th video of Nike Bowfins that I've done. But anyway, this is the total orange colorway. I really love this one. It's super dope. All gray, different tones of gray, and some nice, like, bright oranges on there. I think this is a clean colorway. I got it off GOAT, brand new, for $110. It was $110, but I think when I screenshot it, after I bought it, it went up to $120. Still under retail, but $110 was definitely cheap because the original price is $160 on these joints. So once I saw that $110, I was like, oh yeah, need to get those. So anyway, before I jump into breaking down the shoe, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys think, thumbs up the video, yada yada yada. You already know what to do. Let's get into it. So got these off GOAT, like I said, for $110. That's really cheap as opposed to paying that $160. You know what I mean? So this shoe has, it's pretty much all gray, right? So it's an all gray shoe, but it has different tones of gray on the shoe. You got some light gray on the midsole and the outsole as well, and you got that nice big orange spot there, that total orange with the orange Nike swoosh. I like how this orange air unit right here is very stand-outish, right? It's standing out. It's just, you see it. It's like one of the first things you see besides all the other orange is this nice orange air unit. I thought that was super dope. But anyway, you got some light gray here. You also got another darker gray layer here going over that light gray just to break up that contrast. And then you have a nice lighter gray on the toe box, and then it goes into that dark gray mesh, which I think is super dope. Got a nice orange swoosh right there, and then you have these orange straps or harnesses or lace locks as they would be, but straps here. And remember, this is like a hiking shoe. This shoe is very durable. It's like a hiking shoe. It reminds you of those ACGs and that ACG line that they used to do way back when, you know, in the golden years of Nike, right? It's just a robust sneaker, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, nice dark grays and lighter grays mixed in here. Got some textured mesh here, which I think is very nice. I like this gray zigzag with the orange zigzag going on in there. You got the orange laces with the gray polka dots there. That looks pretty dope. Going up the shoe, got a nice gray lace lock right here. This comes stock. It comes like this. That's how I leave it when I get it. You can do whatever you want. You can tie it. I just think it looks clean like that. Anyway, got a nice gray tag with some orange lettering and orange swoosh in there. Got that mesh, that honeycomb mesh going around the ankle collar. And then you got that nice light gray going around the ankle collar as well. And then going on to the back of the shoe. Back of the shoe looks super dope. You got some light and dark grays in there with that orange swoosh. Got another zigzag pattern here with just gray. Medial side of the shoe looks just like the lateral side of the shoe. Looks really nice. Remember, this fits like a sock, so it's gonna hug your foot, but this is super comfortable. I will go true to size on these. Got that nice orange insole with that gray Nike Air in there with the swoosh. And as you can see down in there, you know, it just fits like a sock. It kind of fits like a glove. So definitely a dope pickup. I would suggest you get these. If you do, make sure you go true to size on all Bowfins. There is going to be a little bit of space in there, but it's supposed to be like that because your foot wants to breathe. Like if you're going to go hiking and all that, your foot needs to breathe. Or you're going to do anything in these, you want a shoe that allows your foot to breathe because you don't want them stanking feet. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, this is a super dope shoe. Total orange, Nike Bowfin at GOAT, $110. Go get involved.